Congratulations on being
Thank
awarded the
you.
Challenge Fund. Well deserved. We're very excited to work with you. I've got a couple of questions for you. My first question to you is, in simple terms, what problem are you trying to solve?
Yeah, so at PowerWells, the issues that we're trying to address is both electronic waste, plastic waste, and energy poverty. We're a non-profit organisation, and what we predominantly do is we provide training and education to local communities on how they can start repurposing electronic waste. So at the moment, we try and teach communities about how they can repurpose computer screens and TV screens to build enclosures, but we also provide training on how they can repurpose batteries out of electric vehicles and electric scooters, so that they can manufacture home solar units that they can then distribute to households that don't have access to power, so that they can create a sustainable business model and then generate some income. The reason why this solution is good for sort of rural and off-grid contexts is because what we're trying to do is empower communities with the skills and also provide the infrastructure so that they can start collecting plastic waste, shredding it, melting it, and then compressing it into an enclosure, which just gives them control over the supply chain, but also in the manufacturing process, which means that they can then distribute those to households that need them. Then they can also be more in control of repair, maintenance, installation, and then it's also reducing supply chain issues and empowering the community as well with more ownership of what they're creating.
How does being a recipient of the Challenge Fund accelerate scaling, learning, or partnerships for you?
Yeah, so I think there are a few different ways that it really helps us. So at the moment, one of the biggest challenges that we have is we're currently building our home solar units using perspex out of computer screens and TV screens. But the issue is we're finding it really challenging to find this sort of waste stream across the Pacific. So in PNG, Vanuatu, and Indonesia, it's really difficult to find computer screens and TV screens. So if we can start repurposing and recycling really available plastic waste, then it means that we can push our manufacturing capability from Australia over into community, which means that they can then be in control of how they scale the operations, and it can grow a lot more organically. And then it also reduces the reliance on external aid as well.
And reduce the waste in these countries. The 2026 Challenge Fund is coming up, and I'm wondering if you have any advice for this year's Challenge Fund applicants.
I guess the way that we always try and solve these problems is putting ourselves in the shoes of the beneficiaries or the people that we're trying to help. They're a lot better placed to solve a lot of the challenges that they have than we are. So if we can be a conduit for knowledge and ideas to them, then I think they're going to be a lot better at solving issues.